Howdy, Jamin here with Nature Facts. If you're watching this video, it's my very first published on this channel. I very much appreciate you liking and subscribing. I will be posting 2 or 3 times per week all the most interesting and cool facts I can find about our natural world. Thanks very much for tuning in. This first video will be the top 10 coolest looking rocks on Earth.
The natural world is full of beauty, and it's hard to argue that some of the rocks that come out of the ground right under our feet are among the most brilliant, beautiful, and valuable natural objects on Earth. In today's video, I will break down the top 10 coolest looking rocks on Earth. Number 10. Fire Opal Gemstone. Fire opal is a mineraloid made primarily of hydrated silica spheres that reflect light in a predominantly reddish-orange spectrum. Although it is sometimes mislabeled as a mineral, fire opal is not a mineral since it lacks a crystalline structure. There are several fire opals, each with its own unique color and provenance. Originally mined in East Africa around or during the Bronze Age, the value of fire opal is determined by its color, look, and the amount someone is prepared to pay. In the 1900s, there was even an opal rush. When compared to other natural hues, most fire opal stones are uncommon. When white light refracts upon parts of bigger silica spheres, opal reflects a red tint. To care for fire opals, place each specimen in a container lined with felt and away from any hard surfaces. A skilled gem handler should do the cutting, utilizing the necessary diamond blades, cooling solutions, and polishing oils. The finest precious opal specimens originate from Australia, whereas the finest common opal specimens come from Mexico. Geologists and gemologists divide opal into 2 categories, common and valuable. Number 9. Crocoite. Crocoite is a mineral composed of lead chromate. Crocoite crystals have a vivid transparent red hue with a Mohs hardness of 2.5 to 3. Crocoite crystals have been discovered at the Mount Dundas Extended Mine in Tasmania and other mines in Australia, Brazil, Germany, and South Africa. They are often found as long, slender prisms with a bright sheen and color, typically measuring 10 to 20 millimeters in length, but occasionally reaching 100 millimeters or 4 inches in length. Crocoite is harmful because it is made of lead chromate and contains both lead and hexavalent chromium. Number 8. Bismuth. Bismuth is a radioactive post-transition metal with chemical characteristics similar to arsenic and antimony. When new, it is a fragile metal with a silvery white appearance, but surface oxidation may give it an iridescent tint which can show in a variety of colors. Elemental bismuth may be found in nature, and its sulfide and oxide forms are valuable industrial ores. Bismuth has been valued since ancient times and shares many similarities with tin and lead. Despite being a post-transition metal, bismuth is a semiconductor when placed in suitably thin layers on a substrate. It is denser in the liquid phase than in the solid phase, a property shared by germanium, silicon, gallium, and water. Because bismuth expands by 3.32% upon solidification, it has traditionally been used in low-melting typesetting alloys. Number 7. Rose quartz. Rose quartz gets its pink tint from minute inclusions of a pink variant of the mineral dumortierite. These inclusions are numerous enough to render the rose quartz translucent rather than transparent. Quartz appears as clear crystals with a pink tint on rare occasions. Typically, they are late-stage mineralizations in pegmatite pockets. Rose quartz is one of the most abundant and frequently found lapidary materials. Rose quartz abundance and toughness, 7 on the Mohs scale, makes it an affordable and widely used material in the creation of jewelry and trinkets. Rose quartz is abundant in Brazil, Sweden, Namibia, and throughout North America, making it one of the easiest cool-looking rocks to add to your collection. Number 6. Tourmaline. Tourmaline is a mineral composed of boron silicates and other aluminum, iron, magnesium, sodium, lithium, or potassium elements. This gemstone comes in a broad range of hues. Due to its pyroelectric capabilities, the tourmaline was dubbed the Sri Lankan magnet because of its ability to attract and then reject burning ashes. All forms of tourmaline include chemically bonded water. The tourmaline mineral group is one of the most chemically complex silicate mineral groups. Its composition varies greatly. The International Mineralogical Association recognizes 37 minerals that form tourmaline. Number 5. Uvarovite. Uvarovite is an uncommon green garnet species named after Count Sergei Semenovich, who was a Russian politician and amateur mineral collector and found uvarovite in 1832. It is located in the form of well-formed fine-sized crystals, primarily in Finland and the eastern United States. Number 4. Azurite. Azurite is a copper mineral in which the copper cations are bonded to two distinct anions, carbonate and hydroxide. Due to the blue color, the stone has been associated with low humidity deserts and winter skies for centuries. Azurite is a mineral commonly discovered as a supergene copper mineral in the oxidized zone of copper ore deposits. The low partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the air is responsible for converting azurite to malachite. Fine examples may be discovered at Bisbee, Arizona, and surrounding areas, including clusters of crystals several inches long and spherical aggregates and rosettes up to 2 inches or 51 millimeters in diameter. Azurite is now acknowledged as a significant source of blues utilized by medieval artists. Number 3. Fluorite. Fluorite, also known as fluorspar, is the crystalline form of the element calcium fluoride, CaF2. The finest grades of fluorite are a source of fluoride for the production of hydrofluoric acid. In addition, because optically clear translucent fluorite lenses have low dispersion, they display less chromatic aberration. Fluorite is derived from the Latin verb fluere, which means to flow. Fluorite crystallizes as a late crystallizing mineral in felsic igneous rocks, usually due to hydrothermal action. Strontium and rare earth elements, or REE, such as yttrium and cerium, are frequently used in element replacement for the calcium cation. Fluorite reserves are estimated to be 230 million tons, or MT, with the greatest resources in South Africa, Mexico, and China. In Derbyshire, England, Castleton is one of the most well-known fluorite sites. This fluorite was mined for its decorative value in the 19th century. Blue John is an exceptionally rare and beautiful version of fluorite that is found at the England mining site, with just a few hundred kilos extracted each year. Fluorite shows fluorescence under UV light, which gives the mineral its name. Number 2. Titanium quartz. Titanium quartz is created by putting quartz in a chamber and introducing and bonding vaporized titanium and other metal oxides to the quartz. Carrying or wearing titanium quartz will help you feel grounded, centered, and invigorated. This stone provides the user with free-flowing energy and induces a calm mind. Number 1. Rhodochrosite. Rhodochrosite is popularly known as a manganese carbonate mineral. In its pure form, it possesses a rose-red color, with some impure specimens showing shades of pink to pale brown. It occurs as a hydrothermal vein mineral in low-temperature ore deposits, as in the silver mines of Romania, where it was first found. Its main use is as an ore of manganese, a key component of low-cost stainless steel formulations and certain aluminum alloys. However, it's relatively soft and has perfect cleavage, making it very difficult to cut and rarely found faceted in jewelry. Why wear jewelry? The remedy, not the sickness, is jewelry. When we have a wonderful piece of jewelry given to us by someone we care about, we think of that person every time we wear it or even see it among our possessions. Physical items, loved ones, and events can transfer us and remind us of inner contentment. When we wear that jewelry, we believe we can accomplish everything we set our minds to. Jewelry serves as a strong reminder of our origins and the individuals who have shaped us into who we are. Repurposing inherited jewelry into new treasures is a wonderful way to commemorate the past while giving it a unique appearance. With that, we have come to an end of the video. What do you think about all the rocks that I've mentioned above? Are you too a fan of rock jewelry? If yes, what is your favorite gem? Comment below and let me know. If you like the videos we make, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, please like and share this video with all of those who might be interested in it. Thank you.